Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful plastic spoon decoration ideas for you guys. These are very stunning and very pretty plastic spoon ideas for you guys. So viewers, I am glad to see you all, and if you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos about different craft videos. Always think positive guys, always be positive. These are super amazing and very beautiful spoon craft ideas for you guys. Follow for more details. I am glad to see you all. These are super incredible and very amazing. Plastic spoon centerpieces ideas for you guys. Follow for more details, and if you want different kind of videos, then you also leave the comment in the comment section. These are super incredible and very pretty spoon craft ideas for you guys. So take care, remember me in your prayers, Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. And I'm very happy to see you all, guys. Remember me in your prayers and take care of yourself. These are super amazing ideas. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, guys.